If your freezer suddenly breaks down, call VP Repair, the best home appliance repair company in San Jose. Dispatcher is available all working day, 7 days a week. Tell them about your issue and schedule a technician's time arrival. Technician will arrive in your home on the day of your call, or the next day. A technician will make diagnostic a broken freezer to determine the reason of the breakdown. You'll receive working freezer, a guarantee for work, and advice on correct working household freezer. Call VP Repair right now.